Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing the highest quality file and creating a non-destructive copy so edits stay reversible. Open the file in your editor, set the workspace color profile to sRGB for web or Adobe RGB for print, and confirm resolution. Once done, straighten and crop to fix composition using rule of thirds or 16:9 framing. Make small global exposure corrections first so local adjustments read correctly. This foundation ensures later color and detail work behaves predictably and preserves original image data. You now shape the image's mood by balancing tones and colors. Start with exposure and contrast, then refine with curves to set the image's anchor points. This creates a pleasing tonal foundation. Next, apply selective masks to protect highlights and recover shadows, using feathered brushes for natural transitions. Once balanced, move to HSL or split toning to define your new style color palette. Subtle shifts can make a big difference. Make sure to isolate skin tones and key highlights so grading enhances rather than distorts subjects. You finish by refining texture and preparing files for delivery. Apply selective sharpening to edges or use frequency separation for skin and background control, then add subtle grain or texture to unify the style. Check at 100% to avoid overdoing it. Flatten copies only for final export. Choose the correct color profile, size, and compression for the destination. If things go wrong, revert to your non-destructive copy. Disable recent layers to isolate the issue, and reapply changes in smaller increments to troubleshoot efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.